What if I told you that your first $1,000 could completely change your financial future? Most people stay broke, not because they don't earn enough, but because they never learn this simple money system. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the exact step-by-step strategy that thousands of Americans use to save their first $1,000 faster than they ever imagined. Don't skip this. The last tip could save you hundreds of dollars every single month. How to save your first $1,000. Step-by-step beginner guide. What if I told you that saving your first $1,000 is one of the most important financial milestones you'll ever reach? It doesn't matter whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or you've never saved money before. Your first $1,000 creates a financial safety net, reduces stress, and gives you confidence to handle life's unexpected expenses. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to reach that goal, step by step. Life is unpredictable. Your car can break down, you could receive an unexpected medical bill, or something in your home might suddenly need repairs. Without savings, these situations often lead to credit card debt or expensive loans. But with an emergency fund, you're prepared. That's why your first $1,000 isn't about becoming rich. It's about creating financial security and peace of mind. The first step is understanding how much money you actually earn each month. Write down every source of income you have. Include your salary, freelance work, side hustles, bonuses, or any other money that comes in regularly. When you know your total monthly income, you'll have a clear starting point for your savings plan. Next, track every dollar you spend. For one full month, record every expense, no matter how small. Coffee, snacks, subscriptions, online shopping, groceries, transportation. Everything counts. Most people are surprised by how much money disappears on small daily purchases. Awareness is the first step toward better financial habits. Now it's time to cut unnecessary spending. You don't have to stop enjoying life, but you should identify expenses that don't add much value. Making coffee at home instead of buying it every day, cooking more meals, canceling unused subscriptions, and reducing impulse purchases can save hundreds of dollars every month. Small changes repeated consistently create big results over time. A budget gives every dollar a purpose. One simple method is the 50-30-20 rule. Around 50% of your income goes toward needs like housing, food, and transportation. 30% can be used for wants and entertainment. The remaining 20% should go toward savings and paying off debt. Adjust these percentages if necessary, but always make saving a priority. Another powerful strategy is to automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday. Even if it's only $25 or $50 each week, consistency matters more than the amount. When savings happen automatically, you're much less likely to spend the money first. If reaching $1,000 feels slow, look for ways to increase your income. You could freelance online, drive for a delivery service, sell items you no longer use, start a small business, or pick up part-time work. Extra income can dramatically speed up your savings goal without requiring major lifestyle sacrifices. Stay motivated by celebrating small milestones. Reaching your first $250, then $500, then $750 are all victories worth recognizing. Watching your savings grow builds confidence and encourages you to keep going. Every dollar saved brings you closer to financial freedom. Eventually, you'll look at your savings account and see $1,000. That moment represents much more than money. It proves you've built discipline, developed healthy financial habits, and created a foundation for future wealth. From there, you can continue building a larger emergency fund, begin investing, and work toward even bigger financial goals. Remember, you don't need a high income to start saving. You simply need a plan, consistency, and patience. The journey begins with a single dollar. Then another and another. Start today, stay committed, and before you know it, your first $1,000 will become a reality. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their financial future. Your first $1,000 starts today. Let's make it happen. Building your first $1,000 is a huge achievement, but having a clear goal makes the journey much easier. Instead of saying, "I want to save more money," write down a specific target. For example, save $1,000 in 6 months. Break that goal into smaller milestones, like $250, $500, $750, and finally $1,000. Every milestone you reach keeps you motivated and reminds you that consistent progress leads to success. One of the smartest financial habits you can build is opening a dedicated savings account. Keeping your savings separate from your everyday spending account reduces the temptation to spend money impulsively. If possible, choose an account that earns interest so your money continues to grow over time. Set up automatic deposits so a portion of every paycheck goes directly into your savings before you even have a chance to spend it. This simple system makes saving effortless. Another powerful strategy is the 24-hour rule. Whenever you're tempted to buy something that isn't a necessity, wait 24 hours before making the purchase. Most impulse buying happens because of emotion, not need. Giving yourself one day to think often helps you realize that you don't
Smart
actually
meal
need
prep
the
is
item.
transforming household
The
finance.
money you almost
By
spent
optimizing
can
ingredients,
instead
waste is
move you
virtually
one step
eliminated,
closer to your
bringing the
savings
average
goal.
cost per serving down to
Food
just
is one of
$4.
the biggest monthly expenses for many families, but it's also one of the easiest places to save money. Planning your meals for the week before shopping helps you avoid unnecessary purchases and reduces food waste. Create a grocery list, stick to it, and cook more meals at home instead of eating out. Small savings from groceries and restaurants can add up to hundreds of dollars over several months. Take a close look at your monthly subscriptions. Many people pay for streaming services, fitness apps, music platforms, or memberships they rarely use. Review every recurring payment and cancel anything that doesn't provide real value. Even saving $20 or $30 each month can make a significant difference over the course of a year. Whenever you receive unexpected money,
In a world
resist the
driven
urge
by
to
digital
spend it
speed,
immediately. Work bonuses,
every cent
tax
counts.
refunds, cash gifts,
Watch your future
rebates,
grow
or
in
extra
real time.
freelance income are great opportunities to grow your savings faster. Instead of treating this money as extra spending cash, transfer it directly into your savings account. You'll reach your $1,000 goal much sooner. Avoid high-interest debt whenever possible. Credit card balances with high interest rates can
Every
quickly
week
erase
brings
the
new data
progress
to
you've
light.
made through saving.
We track every point of
Pay your
growth,
bills on time,
mapping out a
avoid
seamless
carrying
transition.
large balances.
This is
and focus
progress
on reducing
defined.
expensive debt while continuing to build your emergency fund. The less money you lose to interest, the more money stays in your pocket. Review your progress every single week. Spend a few minutes checking your savings balance, updating your budget, and tracking how much closer you've moved toward your goal. Weekly reviews help you
Breaking
stay
bad
accountable,
financial habits is the
identify
first step.
spending problems
Watch
early,
them fade as
and
smart
keep your
habits take
motivation
control.
high.
Consistent saving and
Success
investing
doesn't
build your
happen by
future.
accident.
Financial freedom
It
is
happens
closer
through
than you think.
consistent action. Many people struggle to save because they repeat the same financial mistakes. Buying things on impulse, eating out too often, ignoring budgets, and failing to track expenses slowly drain your income. Replacing these habits with smart financial decisions creates lasting results. Every good money decision builds a stronger financial future. Imagine reaching your goal and seeing $1,000 safely saved. That money represents more than cash. It represents discipline, confidence, and freedom. It means you're prepared for unexpected emergencies without relying on debt. More importantly, it proves that you can achieve bigger financial goals in the future, whether that's building a larger emergency fund investing for retirement, buying a home, or creating long-term wealth. Remember, financial success isn't about earning the highest income. It's about making smart decisions with the money you already have. Start with $1, stay consistent, celebrate every milestone, and never give up. Before long, your first $1,000 will become the foundation for a lifetime of financial freedom. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more practical personal finance tips, and leave a comment below telling us what your biggest savings goal is. Your first $1,000 is just the beginning of your journey toward financial success.